so he can explain why they're throwing towels, etc. up at the globe. Apologies for the electrical wires, but why they're throwing towels up, Alex?
Yeah, well, basically, devotees believe it if they can touch the image, or if they can have any piece of any article of clothing touch the image, it can cure them of any ailment, or any of their families if they have any sickness or ailments. So that's how strong the power of faith is. So to believe that in anything they can find miracles, whatever manner they can. So they would brave everything, they would risk everything, being crushed, they would risk the heat, they would risk everything just to be close to their mother, who we call Ina.
Yeah, we've already seen somebody get stretchered off with what looks like exhaustion.
Yeah, right. You know, for these people, it's part of their devotion. They say that, you know, they believe that this is part of everything that they believe in. This is part of their faith. So 3 centuries of this kind of devotion has never been broken. Every year we have more and more people joining. Every year we have more and more devotees. So you can just imagine the energy. You can just you're right here right now. So basically, you can
has some of these people come from all over the Philippines, not just Naga?
Yeah, not just the Philippines, but some of them fly from all over the world. They come home. They've never been home for a decade or so, but they come home just to be here, just to experience this. Now you can sense the heat. The heat is coming up. Or you can sense the sea of people. You can see them pushing and shoving.
There is a good chance that somebody could get crushed there, isn't there?
Yeah, it happens. But you know, people here are more careful than they look. If they see that you're in trouble, if they see that you're in distress, they'll help pull you out. They'll help pull you out. So there. It's just a fleeting moment for us bystanders here, but for everyone else, they've been waiting for this for the entire year. Look at that. Wow.
God, I wish you could feel the heat coming from these people. It's amazing. I've left the safety of the bridge and I'm walking in the procession towards the cathedral, and as you can see the excitement's still here. I've had to drift towards the middle a bit because they're throwing water on the crowd, which is another tradition. I just wish they'd throw a full bottle. A bit thirsty about now. But everybody's in good spirits. It's really amazing atmosphere here. I'm so pleased I came to experience it. And I'm so pleased I live in Naga. you're throwing 4 bottles of water. My God. Right, as you can see from the police cordon, I'm actually inside the police cordon. I've been allowed inside because I'm special. No, not really. But they're going to take the image down now and place it under that white dome. They're going to hold a mass and then take it into the cathedral, where for the next week there'll be a lot of pilgrims come and want to touch it and pray in the cathedral. But in the meantime, there's a bit of a frenzy. What a feeling to be here though, I really mean that. You really have to be here to sample the atmosphere. It's electric.